Hello, this video is about simulation of LCD interfacing to Arduino. So on Google prompt, we'll type Wokwi Arduino simulator, and the first site you will get as a Wokmi simulator site. Click on this. Now here you will observe Arduino Uno. We want to interface LCD to Arduino Uno. So click here. Just scroll down. You will see start from scratch. Click on this Arduino Uno. Now here on left side we can write a program, and on right hand side we can interface a devices to Arduino. So I'll shift this Arduino board upward so we can interface LCD here. So click on this add a new part button and we'll search for LCD. So here you can search by typing LCD here, and will interface LCD 16 by 2 4-bit data pins will use. Next time we'll see how to interface with I2C, that is serial communication, but now we'll interface using simple 4 data lines. So click on this LCD. You can show here 16 by 2 LCD. I'll connect it here. So I will just paste here LCD interfacing program. If you want to know more about LCD, how to interface it with microcontroller, then just click on this I button, or I will provide the link in description. So just go through that videos. You'll clearly understand how to interface LCD to any microcontroller. You have to include this liquid crystal.h header file. Then here the pins which we are going to use, these are mentioned here. So RS, that is register select terminal, is connected to pin number 12 of Arduino. Enable pin of LCD is connected to 11. D4, that is data 4 data terminal, is connected to pin number 5. D5 is connected to pin number 4 of Arduino. D6 data is connected to pin number 3, and D7 is connected to pin number 2. So to send the data, we are using this 4 bits. Then you have to use this function liquid crystal LCD, and we are mentioning here names which are given to these pins. In the setup loop, we are first initializing this 16 by 2 LCD. So LCD, that means 2 rows are there, and in each row we can display 16 character. Then we'll print here message. For that we are calling function lcd.print. The message we are displaying is hello Arduino. And in a loop function, we are using this function lcd.setCursor01. That means at first position we are setting this LCD cursor, that is column 0 line 1. So we have to make this connections. So just see here RS is connected to pin number 12. So go to pin number 12 of LCD and connect it to RS terminal. Here you can observe RS terminal. So just click here. The next pin is enable, that is pin number 11. So click on pin number 11 and connect to enable terminal. Here you can see enable terminal. So just click here, it will connect. Then D4 is connected to pin number 5. So go to pin number 5 and connect here D4. So D4 is here, just click here. Then D5 is connected to pin number 4. So click on pin number 4 and then connect here to D5. Then D6 is connected to pin number 3. Connect on pin number 3 and connect here on D6. It will connect it. D7 is connected to pin number 2. So click on pin number 2 and connect here on D7. So our connections are over. Now you can simulate the program. So click on start the simulation. So here you will see this error. No such file or directory, that liquidcrystal.h it is mentioned. So here it is given install liquid crystal library. So click on this install button. Now here you can see this liquid crystal library is included. This you can observe in the library manager section. So we'll go again to sketch section. Here is our program. Now again simulate it. And see here you can observe hello Arduino. So this is how you can simulate LCD using data lines. This is how you can interface LCD to Arduino. You can simulate your program and you can display any name. Just you have to change this string here. So whatever string you will write here in this LCD.print, that will be displayed here. If you want to just display hello, we will delete this Arduino, stop this simulation, and you can simulate the program. You can observe only hello is display. You can save program with any name. You can make it public, save, and you can share the link to your friends. This is the link. You can share this link. You can copy this link and share. So thank you for watching this video. In next video, we'll interface LCD using I2C.